Take 150 grams of all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl. Make sure to remove any lumps. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon yeast and mix well. Add in 1 egg and combine well. Pour 50 ml warm milk also. Now transfer the mix to a countertop and start kneading really well. Combine a small piece of butter also. Now we have to knead this for at least 15 minutes. We should get this consistency. Now transfer the dough to a bowl, cover and let it rest for at least 1 hour. In 100 ml warm milk, add a piece of butter and combine well. Now we need to mix 2 egg yolks to this. Before adding egg yolks to the milk, mix it with nearly 5 tablespoons of warm milk and then add in. To this add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons flour. Pour the mixture into a pan through a strainer and cook over low flame until thickened. We have to keep stirring it. Now transfer this cream to a bowl and keep it aside. Let us check the fermented dough now. We can see that it has doubled in size. Dust some flour and knead it for a minute. Now we have to divide it into 4 equal parts and again let it rest for 15 minutes. Apply some flour on a piece of butter paper. Dust some flour on top and roll out the dough ball using a rolling pin. Place 2 teaspoons of cream prepared before and fold the dough carefully to get the shape. I am placing 2 buns in a preheated oven and have baked it for 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. To prepare on stove, place the buns on a pan, cover and cook both sides for at least 5 minutes each. Cream buns ready. These two were prepared on a pan and these on oven. I hope you like this. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching.